Hi, Ashley. I saw your email and I was a little confused, but I'll just walk you through how everything does match. It matches every time. And I go over that to start every class, but you're hardly ever there to start class. So I think if you showed up more, you'd be able to see that things are really in alignment. But anyway, I'll walk you through it still. So every day you should start at the Google Classroom. Our assignment is Monday, September 14th. Your first task is to identify the virtual background, take attendance. You can't do that unless you show up on time um, or show up to the Zoom chat at some point. Then you open the French Revolution slideshow, title presentation session below. It means you got to click this link. Once you do that, you'll get the student version of the slideshow. Student version is important because it gives you access to the audio. And ask you how you've been feeling about yourself. Oh, pretty good. All right. Let's go back to the directions. What else does it say to do? It says read each slide, analyze each visual, play each audio, respond to every paired prompt, and fill in the blanks on the note-taking sheets. Note-taking sheets are always in the packet, this packet, listed in the assignment. So let's read each slide, analyze each visual. Okay, French Revolution, Napoleon, 1790, 1815. Okay, it's the flag of the French. Unity, liberty, equality, fraternity. Okay. And then I'm going to click this and play it. Let's assume that played for 50 seconds. Then go back to the directions. It says Pear Deck prompt. There isn't one on this slide, but there is notes to take, possibly, but no, we're not on slide one yet. So assume we finish the audio, and then we click the next slide. This is going over the directions again. This is going to explain the directions again. Once you click the headphones once, if there's an audio box, the audio box should pop up here. Okay. So then you read it again. So it's a structure before the French Revolution, ancient regime or old order, three estates, first estate clergy, church. Okay, this is our first slide. Slide one. Gotta look at the titles. Slide one. This is ancient regime. First estate, clergy. Second estate, all right, we gotta go back and read some more. Second estate is nobles. They're titled lords and ladies, 2% of the population, but they had 25% of the land. These clergy, 1% of the population, 10% of the land. So 3% of the population has 35% of the land. That doesn't seem fair. So second estate is the nobles. Third estate is everybody else. The middle class is called the bourgeoisie. Urban workers are called the proletariat. 25 million people in France, 97% of the population, 65% of the land, but they only count as one state. And this audio would have told you all about that. So we played the 57 seconds, and you go to the next one. Then, so we're just trying to connect the dots. Let's see, first estate, that's the clergy. It's that guy. Let's do a different color for the nobles, blue. And let's see if we can thread the needle on, let's make everyone else yellow. This one. That's good. This is what you're doing for the Pear Deck. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about that. And you choose the next one. It's all aligned. Then you just keep going. Explain. You're going to see these things again. Listen to the audio, especially if you get stuck. Keep going. The directions say keep going till you finish slide 11, notes 6 to 7 in the packet, and quiz 1. So you have to keep going. You have to keep reading. This is Pear Deck response. You should respond to that too. Respond to that too. Doesn't have to be super long though, the answers. Respond, read, respond, read, respond, read, respond, fill in the blanks, listen to audios, read, respond, fill in blanks, listen to audios, read, respond, read it, and response. Okay, when you see this open note quiz 1, that's what you need to take. That's available digitally. It's a few questions. This is all you're going to be turning in for that day's lesson. And that's it. It's perfectly aligned. If you're looking in the right spots, if you're able to follow the directions, and if you came more in the beginning, you would see how it was aligned. Not sure why that's always a problem for you, but seems to be always a problem. So do what you can to fix that. And I think you'll find things run smoother. That's all I got. Let me know if this helps.